Hi, welcome back to Improve My Pronunciation, where we learn all about English pronunciation, grammar, and Jesus Christ. Hey, and at times I may teach you about eating healthy as well in English so that you can practice and have a well rounded level of English. All right, let's get started. Today is all about kitchen nouns. I am helping a student in one of my groups to help them pronounce English vocabulary. Okay, it's all about the kitchen today. So, here's something that I want to talk about. If you speak German, you see the CH, you may try to pronounce it just as an H. But listen to how I pronounce it. Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen nouns. And you see that red circle right there. Do you know how to say this word? If not, keep watching and I will show you how to pronounce this in the next slide or on the next slide. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Notice that it has refrigerator. 5 syllables. So if you're not hitting all of those syllables, figure out where the sound starts at the beginning of the syllable and make sure you are setting yourself up for success for that syllable, okay? Or you can say fridge if the word refrigerator is too hard. Chandelier. Now wait a minute. I know that I just said that the CH is pronounced as a ch, but in this word, it's pronounced as an SH. Chandelier. Chandelier. 3 syllables. See that? 3 syllables. Now, if you speak Spanish, you may want to say estufa, but I just finished helping a student and I told her to say stove. Start with the S sound first. Stove. And that will help you take out that E sound at the beginning. Knobs. Knobs. And this word starts with an N. Pretend like you don't even see that K. Blender. Blender. On the left side, the orange picture is can opener. Can opener. On the right side, electric can opener. One you have to do by yourself, which is just a can opener. It's manual. The electric, you plug it in the wall and it opens it for you. It goes, and then it opens the top for you. Think, think. Finish with that K sound. Otherwise, you may end up pronouncing the G sound, and that may sound like sing. We're not going to sing in this, and you may sing in the kitchen, but not with this word. It's sink. Faucet, faucet, faucet. Microwave, microwave. This is called a counter. What you want to, when you come inside the house, you may set your groceries down on the counter. Or if you're like me, you have an island in your house. We call this an island. It's located in the center of your kitchen. You can take a seat on the, you can take a seat on the bar stools at your island. bar stools, cabinets, cabinets. You can call this two things, a hood vent or just a vent. I say the latter. I say vent. Door, door. Make sure you're moving your lips, okay? So this will help you pronounce words much clearer when you move your lips like we do in English. We move them a lot. This knob that you turn the door to get it open or you're closing it, it's called a door handle or just a handle. And I call it a handle. Now we're getting into the fancy vocabulary here. This is called a backsplash. This is what makes the kitchen looks very, it can be elaborate or it can be just welcoming in the kitchen. Backsplash. Cutting board. Cutting board. Forks. It's more than two with an S. If it's just one, it's fork. Fork. Spoon. Spoon. How do you say more than one spoon? You got it. Spoons. You just add an S. Knife. This is just one knife. When you say two, you say knives. The F changes to a V, and then you add your ES. Knives for more than one knife. That's two or more. Silverware. This includes the fork, the butter knife or the knife, and the spoon. It's all three of them. So, can you put the silverware on the table? Window, window. Oven, oven. I'm praying you reach your goals in English. This is all for today. Let me know down below which word was the easiest and which one was the hardest. Okay, guys, I'm guessing that you guys are going to say oven was probably the easiest and refrigerator was probably the hardest. Let me know down below which one is it for you. I will talk to you guys later. Tschüss y adios.